Making money on TikTok in 2025 is all about leveraging its massive user base and dynamic features. Here's how you can start. 1. Understand your niche. Identify your passion or expertise, for example, comedy, cooking, travel, education. Research trending niches in 2025 to ensure your content resonates with current audiences. 2. Set up your TikTok profile for success. Username and bio. Choose a memorable username and write a clear bio that describes your niche. Linking platforms. Add links to your other social media or a landing page if you're selling products or services. 3. Create high-quality content. Use trending sounds and effects while staying consistent with your niche. Post regularly. Consistency builds an audience. Aim for engaging hooks in the first 3 seconds of your videos. 4. Grow your audience. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and participating in trends. Collaborate with other TikTok creators in your niche. Use hashtags and post at optimal times. Research TikTok analytics for your audience. 5. Monetize your content. Join TikTok's Creator Fund. Available in select regions, the Creator Fund pays for views. Build consistent content to qualify. B. Brand deals and sponsorships. Collaborate with brands to promote products or services. Platforms like TikTok Creator Marketplace can connect you with brands. C. Sell products or services. Promote your own products, for example, merch, digital products. Use TikTok Shop for seamless integration. D. Affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate products and earn commissions. Use link shorteners to track clicks. E. Live streaming gifts. Earn money through virtual gifts during live streams. Engage with your audience live to build loyalty. F. Offer courses or consultations. Use TikTok as a funnel to promote paid courses, ebooks, or consulting services. 6. Leverage AI and automation. Use AI tools for content ideas, video editing, and analytics. Automation tools can help schedule posts and analyze audience behavior. 7. Repurpose content across platforms. Share your TikTok content on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or other platforms to grow your audience and revenue streams. 8. Track your progress. Use TikTok analytics to see what content performs best. Refine your strategy based on data. 9. Stay updated on TikTok trends. TikTok evolves quickly. Keep an eye on algorithm changes and new monetization options. Video idea for this topic. Create a video title. How to make your first $1,000 on TikTok in 2025. Start with a bold statement. TikTok isn't just for fun anymore, it's a goldmine. Include quick tips with on-screen captions and vibrant visuals.